Teleperformance Recruitment 2023 Private Job Update for various quality analyst, trainer and CEO executive work-from-home posts. All eligible and interested candidates can apply on or before the 30th of September 2023. Further information about the Teleperformance recruitment vacancies, salary details, application fee, selection process, educational qualifications, results, age limit and all other details. Information about these posts is mentioned in details below. Job location for Teleperformance Work from Home Recruitment 2023. The candidates can work from home, and for CEO executive post, candidates will be working from home and office as well, and for this post the office location will be Gurgaon. Number of vacancies. There are various number of vacancies. Name of vacancies and number of posts. The name and number of vacancies per posts are mentioned below. 1. Quality Analyst. 2. Trainer. 3. CEO Executive Marketing. Responsibilities for Quality Analyst. Monitor the calls of each advisor and provide immediate feedback to them in case of critical and non-critical errors. Determine whether the agents maintain a predetermined and acceptable level of contact handling through monitoring and test contact evaluation. Report contacts handling performance and statistics through monitoring and test contact evaluation. Also share daily, weekly and monthly reports submitted to the Quality Assurance Supervisor. Responsibility to meet quality-related service level monthly. Monitor calls to ensure client standards are maintained. Provide regular feedback to team members regarding the performance of the team and any issue that needs escalation. Work together as a team and achieve the targets set by clients. Need to be flexible and motivate the team at regular intervals. Responsibilities for trainer. Conduct new hire training and soft skills negotiation skill training. Should complete monthly cyclic activities including refresher training and update training. Sensitize to training needs, understand learning requirements of different learning groups. Liaison with the quality and operations to identify, screen and execute process improvement plans. Ability to execute training tasks, assignment on short notice. Interested to deliver and contribute towards process improvement. Take accountability for new hires' performance during the OJT period, including attrition. Responsibilities for CEO Executive Marketing. Research CEO keywords to use throughout the company's website and marketing materials. Monitor daily performance metrics to understand CEO strategy performance. Collaborate with others within the marketing department to manage CEO strategy. Write compelling and high-quality website content, including blog posts and page descriptions. Update content and website links for maximum optimization and search engine rankings. Salary pay and grade pay. For trainer and quality analyst post, the payable salary will be 22,600 rupees 30,200, and for CEO executive marketing post, the payable salary will be 25,000 rupees 33,300 per month approximately. Further information about salary details is mentioned in the notification. Age limit. For this recruitment, candidate age must be at least 18 years. The upper age limit for this vacancy is not mentioned by Teleperformance. Further information regarding age details is mentioned in the notification. Educational qualifications. The educational qualification details for this post is mentioned below. Quality Analyst Trainer, 12th pass or a graduate degree in any stream. CEO Executive Marketing, a graduate degree in any discipline with minimum 3 years of experience in CEO industry, CEO campaigns. Knowledge and skills required. Good analytical skills. Ability to do multitask. Ability to work well in and promote a team environment. People management skills. Strong communication skills in English. Customer service. Good analytical skills. Must be very good with data representation. Good with MS Excel. Time management. Ability to multitask. Knowledge of keyword research. Selection method. For Teleperformance recruitment, the candidate will be selected on the basis of shortlisting, assessment test and virtual field interview. If a candidate is shortlisted according to their desired age and qualification, he/she will be intimated via registered mobile number or email it for further interview process. Work experience. No work experience required for trainer and quality analyst posts. Fresher candidates and candidates with no experience can also apply for this recruitment. How to apply? All eligible and interested candidates have to apply online from the official website or from the given link. Last date for submitting application form. All candidates must apply on or before the 30th of September 2023. After the last date, no application form will be submitted. Application fee. There will be no application fee for any candidate. Genuine recruiters never ask for money to schedule interview or offer a job in private sector. If you receive such calls or emails, beware, as this might be a job scam. Important note: application forms received after due date will not be entertained under any circumstances. Incomplete or late applications without enclosures will summarily be rejected without any reasons in correspondence. Therefore, application forms must reach before the last date. Belated, incomplete applications are liable to be rejected.